Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, the Excellency Sabiani Hanifida as Director of Sukamlara Hanifida Islamic Boarding School, the Honorable the Guardian Special Miss Rifki as Minister of Hanifida Imagination Map, and my respectable my mom and my dad, my parents, and don't forget to all my happily friends. Today I'm Hanifida, a student of 12th grade from Hanifida Islamic Senior High School with a presentation about flood. So, what the reason why happening the flood? So, the flood can be the result from man-made. No. From massive rainfall. To avoid the massive rainfall, you have the drainage system. If drainage system stop working, it can be a big flood and overflowing the rivers. To avoid this, you do dams along the river, and if the dams break, it will overflowing and flood. Okay, and then snow melt and deforestation. Snow melt is from nature, right? There's over the snow falling down, and then heated by the sun, and then it melt and it flood. Deforestation is from human made, from cutting tree, because if you don't cutting tree, if you love your forest, forest will help you from soil erosion and anything like else. Climate change, climate change, the increase of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is bring disaster, and from greenhouse gases, from industrial influence, burning fossil fuels or something like that, and the others. It can be from natural or man-made. What we can help is decrease the harmful gas, such as this freezer, air conditioner, or something like that. Okay, that's all from my presentation. I will be helpful for me and for you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.